How to add a VPN connection on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, tap on General. After that, we scroll down and then tap on VPN and Device Management. In here, tap on VPN. Now, because I have one connected already, I'm going to disconnect this one. And then tap on Add VPN Configuration. Now in here, choose a VPN type, a connection type. So here you got IKE, version 2, IPsec, and L2TP. So depending on the server that you are connecting to, select a connection type. So I'm going to select L2TP, then tap on back key. Next, you need to get this information from your VPN provider. So I'm going to say free VPN number 2. Then we put in the server address. So because I have already copied it to my clipboard, I can paste it. And the account is VPN, and password is VPN, and secret key. So with the same VPN. Next, tap on done. Now once you want to connect a VPN, you select that VPN profile. Then at the top, tap on this toggle button to turn it on. This will allow the phone to attempt connecting to that VPN server. And here it shows connecting. We just wait for that to connect. Once it is connected, it will show a VPN connected icon at the top and on the status bar. And here it says connected. If you pull down the status bar, it will show VPN at the top here, meaning that you are now connecting to a VPN server. And that's it. You can also turn it on off from from the connections settings as well. So if you go back to settings, down here there is a shortcut called VPN. You can tap on that, and then that will quickly take you to the VPN settings page where you can turn it on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.